It's been a day, stressing out like crazy. Just wanna be lazy with my girls. It's been a day, we gonna get wavy.
Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be testing some products that they're samples that I was kindly gifted by a company called MZ Skin. It says by Dr. I think it's Maryam Zamani or Zamani, but they look really nice. I've had a look online and yeah, they look like a really nice product. So I'm going to give it a go. So I've got a selection of 6 products. If you fancy giving that a watch, then stay tuned. Okay, so I've got hair out my face, headband on, so we'll crack on. I've got, let's have a look. We've got this one. They're all in these like little packages here. Oh, I did the nails today. Pretty. So this one is Brighten and Perfect 10% vitamin C corrective serum. I think, yeah, these are all serums. I've got 3 serums, so obviously I'm not going to try all 3 of them in one go. I'll pick what one I fancy. So to be honest, there's not much more information on here apart from directions than what is on the front, so I guess it's a matter of what it says it does. It does. This one here is Rest and Revive Restorative Placenta and Stem Cell Night Serum. Sounds odd. And Retinol Skin Booster 2% encapsulated vitamin A resurfacing treatment. Well, I quite like the sound of that one actually. Might try that one. So I'll put that one to the side, and then I'll try those for the next couple of nights maybe. And then we have an eye cream or serum, Soothe and Smooth Collagen Activating Eye Complex. This one says it's a dual action AHA cleanser and mask, so I think I'm going to try that as a mask and just use my regular sort of cleanser face wash beforehand. Cleanse and clarify, that one says. And then this is a moisturiser with SPF 30, Age Defence Retinol Day, Hydrate and Nourish. So obviously I won't use that tonight either because it's like 7:30 at night. So yeah, I'll use that one in the morning. Yeah, that's basically just a moisturiser with an SPF in it, which I love. So pop him to the side as well. So basically I've got these 3 here, which we're going to use now. So I'm going to start off by cleansing my face. I'm just going to use my regular cleansing face wash, which quite clearly had a bit of water in the top, so it's just flown all over my bedroom, which is this one. I have used this for years and love it, and it smells divine. It's pink grapefruit. Oh, it just smells so lovely. So yeah, you don't want to watch me wash my face, so I'm just going to do that, and then we'll try the mask. Right, so there we go. Face nice and clean and toned as well. I just used the LMS Soothing Apricot Toner. My skin's quite red at the moment. I don't know why. It just is. So I used a soothing toner. But yeah, anyway, so we're going to use this dual action AHA cleanser and mask, which we're going to use as a mask today, which is that one. I'll put a picture of the actual bottle here and list the proper prices below. I haven't done my homework yet, but by the time I post this video I will have done. So yeah, but so it says to give it a shake. Obviously when it's in the bottle you would, so I'm just going to give it a little massage. There we go. So I'm going to pop that onto the back of my hand. Oh, I wasn't expecting that. It's quite foamy. So it looks like that. I'm just going to use, this is just a, I think I got this with my Perfect Facial, so I'm just going to pop that on like a mask. Smells nice.
My east to my west, when you see me at my worst, try to make me feel my best. This love we just
Feels quite tingly, but I'm guessing that'll be the ooh. Tell how sensitive my skin is. It's not normally like this. I blame the weather. It was like really hot, and then all of a sudden it's gone really cold. I think it's supposed to pick up again next week, but my skin does not like it when it flicks between hot and cold. I normally get really bad breakouts and it goes dry and weird. Right, so that's on. Don't have quite enough in there to go down my neck, so I'm just going to kind of go to there, leave for 10 minutes. So I'm actually wondering if this is like a peel, like an AHA peel, which we'd normally leave on for 10 minutes, and then it just kind of almost dissolves the dead skin cells, and yeah, leaves you quite a nice complexion. But I did actually do one of those about 3 days ago, so hopefully my skin won't fall off. But yeah, so anyway, I'm going to leave that on for 10 minutes and then I will be back. Right, so that's that been on for just under 10 minutes. It feels kind of sticky. So I'm going to take that off. As you can see, my skin looks really mad at me for putting that on, to be honest. But I can't say it's the product, because as you saw before I even put it on, my skin was really pink. I think it's just the weather. My skin's not great at the moment anyway. But yeah, it actually, when I first put it on, it felt quite tingly. But I'm just going to start taking that off. But yeah, it soon kind of almost felt quite soothing, to be honest. So yeah, it felt nice, and the smell, I just had a quick look at the package while that was drying, and it's lemon. So I thought it smelled quite citrusy, but yeah, so it's obviously the lemon in it. But yeah, so I'm going to continue to take that off.
Yeah, you know how I like it, baby. Got me tangled all up in these sheets. Yeah, holding you, holding me. Is it love?
Okay, so that's that all off. Actually, my skin seems to have calmed down now. But yeah, so it looks quite nice and dewy. Do you know what? That's actually taken my redness down. Feels really smooth, really smooth. And it looks like it's got, just noticed I've got a blackhead there. It looks like it's really, really glowy and dewy. But yeah. It feels really sick. That's why I think it might be kind of like a bit of a mild peel. Because it feels really similar to when I use the ordinary AHA peel. That's what I put on a few days ago, which it obviously is a lot stronger, because that does make my skin red afterwards, and the next day it calms down. But yeah, this has actually made my skin feel super, super soft and really similar to the outcome I get with the ordinary product. But yeah, nice. So I was going to change my mind with the serum when I was looking at my skin, because I thought it might be a bit much for it to use the that's the eye one, the retinol. Do you know what? I'm not going to push it. So I'm going to save the retinol and I'm going to use that a different night. So I'm going to go on to this, oh, I can't go over, that's so soft. The Rest and Revive one, which is the Restorative Placenta and Stem Cell Night Serum, which is that one there. Again, I'll put things here. So what's this one say? Apply nightly to cleanse face, neck and décolleté. Massage until evenly absorbed, shape before use again. So another little massage. Yeah, it's like a cream consistency serum. Feels quite kind of elasticy almost. So I'm just gonna kind of pop it on randomly to start off with. I will go down my neck this time. That smells really fresh, almost like baby powder. Yeah, it's got shea butter in it, which is what I can smell. I love the smell of shea butter. And I've just noticed it's also got squalene in it, so that's quite nice. Just gonna massage that in.
Yeah, you my sunshine mixed with a little hurricane. White hot angel with the daredevil's brain.
So there we are, that's that all massaged in. Again, it feels lovely going on. I'm wondering if, because they didn't give me a moisturiser like a night cream or anything, so because this is quite a creamy consistency, it might actually double up as a cream as well as a serum, kind of like a cream with a serum in it, which I wouldn't be surprised because it does actually feel almost like a cream more than a serum. So yeah, but anyway, so that's that on. So then I'm going to go for the eye cream, collagen activating eye complex, soothe and smooth, that one. And this just says apply morning and night, use a small amount under the eyes, and massage in by tapping lightly. So kind of like, you know, you would any eye cream. Gotta open. Oh, now my hands are all oily, I can't open it. Well, that's thick. So, see, that's quite thick. Almost don't need all this. Oh God, taken far too much. I didn't even mean to squeeze any more out then. So, waste. Right, so I'm gonna go under my eye with that. Yeah, it's really thick. You don't need an awful lot of this at all. I have to say, I am desperately looking for all that I've just wasted. I can't do anything with it. It's such a shame. But yeah, I'm in desperate need of a decent eye cream. I've tried all sorts, and yeah, I want to find a really good one. So I'm going to tap that in.
When you turn on some blues, then tell me you're hungry.
That's soaked in really, really nicely. It's literally gone and soaked straight in under my eyes. I didn't need to really rub that in or tap it much at all. But yeah, so I have to say my skin looks really nice. Yeah, nice. So yeah, obviously first impressions, the mask, which you can also use as a face wash, really, really like that. Love the way it made my skin feel, super soft. And yeah, it obviously works because there was an instant result from it as well. So I'm definitely going to buy that. The serum, again, feels really nice on my skin. I love the way it's made it look nice and dewy and glowy. Yeah, and like I say, I think you could probably feel in it. You can definitely feel it on your skin. You could probably get away without a night cream. Don't quote me on that. I will double check, and if it's any different, I'll put some sort of writing there. But yeah, I really like the way it feels. And the eye cream, yeah, obviously I'll tell over time I've got enough in there probably for a few nights. But yeah, I love the way it just soaks straight in. Like I say, my eyes definitely needed that. I've been after a decent eye cream. So yeah, first impressions, it does seem really nice, lovely product. So yeah, hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, obviously give it a thumbs up because it helps me out a lot. and don't forget to subscribe and ding the bell for future notifications. Thank you, bye.
We're scared tonight. Yeah,